Hi guys, thanks for visiting my channel. If you like the content, please remember to hit like and subscribe. It really helps me a lot. We're trying to get to 1 million anytime in this century, so that would be great. This is my first video, second video in fact, and just want to show the Risky Pinch boys and maybe girls in the future, I don't know. Just this little training pack I made to help us trap more, because I'm pretty sure that it's going to be an integral part of the game going forward. You can't just boot it away from you every time it comes to your car. That's just not practical. So I'll upload this after we're done here. It's short. I was hoping to like add some more shots to it, but I got lazy and I realized that these mostly get the point across. Okay, can you see me, Josh?
I can.
Okay. All right, so yeah, basically just try to make your first touch like the softest control touch possible. Like the very softest would be it just like lands in the sweet spot on the roof of your car and you drive off, and then on down from there. So pretty soft, but couldn't get away with it very fast. You're not trying to score. I mean, you can, but really the purpose of it is the trap. Oop, see, the softer you try to make it, the more you have a chance of just missing it completely. Okay, that's a pretty nice one. So that's a shot. So yeah, so that's number one, nice high lofty arc. I was just going to do a few different, trajectories and stuff, which I have done. So yeah, but yeah, you can get it just so super soft if you just hit it like off like your door panel. Whoops. And there seems to be something about like holding brake. Like if you're actively holding brake, it just like hits your car really softly. Or if you can, kind of slow down almost to zero right as the ball hits you, it just does like a huge number to save it. Okay, we'll move on to the next one here pretty soon. Oh man, garbage. Trash, I mean. Yeah, there we go. That was a decent one. Alright, so on to the next shot. Go! Dang. Very similar thing on the other side, slightly different trajectory. Get in there. Oh. Yeah, very similar thing. Other side, different trajectory. But it's just good practice. Oh yeah, you're a few seconds behind, eh? That wasn't as good. Yeah. I can't normally do stuff like that. It's nice for me at this stage. Alright, so this one you pretty much have to just like hammer on the gas full bore and just try to direct it away from the net. You can use, I recommend switching between ball cam and car cam for this one, because the ball cam's pretty confusing, and well, so is car cam, and I never use it in a context like this, so I think that's pretty good practice. I mean, normally what I would do in this situation is just like, take a big fucking swat at it like that, which is fine, it works pretty well. So this might not even be a good strategy, but it's just a good practice for trapping a ball like this. And using that same principle of just that side panel touch to just deaden it, not hitting it with your bumper or your oh, come on. Oh, come on. There we go. That's sort of what we're at. Okay. Okay, last one is not a trap at all. I lied. This one, I just threw it in there because I wanted to practice the hook shot. So, what's a hook shot? Well, you kind of like hit it across the net. It's actually very hard to get your little setup to yourself at the right angle. I'm finding that's by far the, like rocket car, the farthest part of the hardness of this thing. Yeah. Yeah, so that was a bad example of one, but I'll get a decent one here. Basically, yeah, the principle is to knock it across the field yourself, preferably as like low rolling, not bouncing and fast as possible. So I've been like experimenting with like getting up on the wall. Okay, that's not bad. And then, you're striking it back against the momentum of the ball, so you can sort of, that's a decent one. And it's sort of hard for the goalie to guess exactly when and where you're going to do it. You can shoot it at any part of the net. So it's just very, very hard to save at our level, and I think it's like a pretty easy mechanic that we can pull off at our level. Probably a good one to get going on. Maybe a flip would be good for keeping the ball low. Yeah, you know, there you go. You can see the kind of power you can generate with that. You hit the corner of your car against the momentum. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to subscribe.